Why, hello everyone. Welcome to week 7 here in Introduction to Criminal Justice. We'll have a real brief weekly update on this cold and wet morning as I'm filming this on Friday morning. So let me get out of the way and we'll get started talking about what we've got going on. Got some important things. Okay, so we're looking at Chapter 7 this week on police, the contemporary issues and challenges. So as always, start working on that exam review so you can get it submitted as the discussion, as your original discussion post, as you watch the video and read the chapter in the book. Then take that all-important quiz, making at least a 70 or preferably at least a 100, because you can retake it till you make the 100. Then submit that original post. Now also remember to include what you felt was the most interesting thing or something new that you learned from this chapter. Most everybody's doing that. I still have one or two people that are leaving that part out. And then you'll need to complete your follow-up post to discussion number 6. Again, most everybody is doing it right. If you're not getting 100% on the discussion, then look at the rubric that tells you what you're doing wrong. So you can kind of get that. And then finally this week, your research paper's due. Please have someone else read your research paper before you submit it. If nothing else, the new versions of Word that is out there that you have access to through the college, downloaded from your, go to the pod and then go to the email section there. You can actually download the newest version of Word. In the newest version of Word, it will read your paper to you. And it's amazing if you have somebody read it out loud to you, even if it's a computer, you can hear where you've made some grammatical errors. So if you don't have anybody to read your paper, and I think you could get a fellow student in the class to, but if not, at least do that. And it will help you considerably when you hear it said and that's not what I meant to say. So please do that. You start working on your video. You will, in your PowerPoint presentation will be due in a couple of weeks. Let's see. Actually, you've got almost a month for it to be due. But you also have to present that. So that same day, you need to submit a video of you presenting the paper to at least 3 human audience members. During COVID lockdowns, I had people presenting to their dogs, cats, birds, and you name it. But that's not an issue today. You can find at least 3 people to present the paper to. If you can't find 3 people, come to campus. We'll get you an audience, even if I have to commandeer a couple of cadets to sit in the classroom while you present. So it's only a 5 to 10 minute presentation. Once you submit it, we will be putting all those into a discussion post, and everybody will be asking and answering questions on other students' video presentations. So that way everybody gets to see them. Well, that's all I've got for you for today. That, as I said, it was a real brief weekly update. I will talk to you all later.